Good day, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn Maths with Adolo. Today again, we are going to be discussing another great secret, solving simultaneous equation within a second. Simultaneous equation is when two or more equations are solved at the same time. Quickly, the first question we are going to be dealing with is this: solve 2x minus y is equal to 8, and we have 3x plus y is equal to what? 17. Very simple, within a second. The first step is to get x, which is equal to this. First of all, you deal with the coefficient. You multiply the coefficient of y in this equation 1, which is minus 1, times 17. This is step 1. Step 1. 17 minus, you multiply the coefficient of this y in equation 2, which is 1, times this 8, which is step 2. Very simple, which is 8. The next step is what? Step 3. You multiply the coefficient of this y in equation 1 times this, which is minus 1 times what? 3. Minus, multiply the coefficient of this, that is 2, times the coefficient of this. We have what? 2 times what? 1. So quickly you have your x is equal to this times this will give you minus what? 17. 1 times 8 will give you what? 8. Minus 1 times 3 will give you what? Minus 3. 2 times this will give us what? Will give us 2. So we have equal to this minus this will give us minus 25. Minus 3 minus 2 will give us what? Minus 5. So finally for this place, this cancel this. 25 divided by 5 is 5. The next thing to do is to get your value for what? For y. Quickly you say put x is equal to 5 into any of the equation. So very easy, we're going to use equation 1 into equation 1. And equation 1 is 2x minus y is equal to 8. Plug in your value of x, which is what? 5. We have 2 bracket 5 minus y is equal to 8. This time this will give us what? 10 minus y is equal to what? 8. The next thing you collect your what? Your like terms. Very easy. Leave your 10 here. Take minus y to that side, become what? Positive. Bring plus 8 to this other side, become what? Negative. We have minus y is equal to y. This minus this will give us 2 is equal to y. So finally, y is equal to what? 2. So your both answer, our x is equal to 5 and our y is equal to what? 2. Very simple. We are going to solve another one quickly again so that you know within seconds. But one thing I want to advise is for you to have an in-depth mastery of this short method of solving simultaneous equation within what? A second. You can do it within a second. Highest 10 seconds, you are done with it. And let's take the next question. The next question, number 2, is 2m minus n is equal to 5. We now have what? 3m plus 2n is equal to minus 24. The next thing we're going to do, solution. We have 2m minus n is equal to 5. We have 3m plus 2n is equal to minus 24. Quickly, to get your value for what? M. I told you within a second. You can be faster than this after mastering the method. The first step is for you to multiply the coefficient of this n in equation 1 with this minus 24. We have minus 1 times minus 24 minus the multiplication of this coefficient of n in equation 2 times this 5, which is positive. We have 2 times what? 5. The third step is by multiplying the coefficient of this n times this, which is minus 1 times this 3. We have minus 1 times what? 3. And lastly, minus, that is the rule. Multiply the coefficient of m in equation 1 times this what? Coefficient of n in this equation 2. So that we have what? 2 times what? 2. So quickly you look at it very well. Very simple. This times this, minus times minus will give us plus. 1 times 24 will give us what? 4. Minus 2 times 5 will give us what? 10. Minus 1 times 3 will give us minus 3. Minus 2 times 2 will give us what? 4. So quickly, this minus this will give us what? 14. All over minus 3 minus 4. You are owing somebody 3 naira. You are owing another person 4 naira. Total, you are owing what? 7 naira. What you are owing is what? Negative. So minus what? 7. This divided by this will give you what? Minus 2. The next thing for you to do is to get the value of what? N. So you plug in what? M is equal to minus 2 into any of the equations. So for you to be faster, is for you to use equation 1. It has a lesser value. So into equation 1. And equation 1 is what? 2m minus n is equal to 5. Anywhere you see m, plug in minus 2. So I have 2 into minus 2 minus n is equal to 5. This time this will give us what? Minus 4 minus n is equal to what? 5. Collecting like terms. Let's bring all the constant terms to this place and the variable which is minus what? N. When negative sign crosses equality sign, negativity change to what? Positivity. So I have minus 4. When this plus 5 crosses to this place, become minus 5 is equal to this minus n crosses to this place, become positive what? N. Minus 4 minus 5. It means you are owing somebody 4 naira, you are owing another person 5 naira, which is what? Minus 9 is equal to n. Therefore, our n is equal to what? Minus what? 9. So finally, your answer, our m is equal to minus 2. Our n is equal to what? Minus 9. Please look at the step very well. This minus 1 times this minus 24 will give you what? Step 1. Your step 2 is the coefficient of n in equation 2 times this 5 in equation 1 will give you your what? Your step what? Your step 2. Your step 3 is the coefficient of this n, which is minus 1 times this one. It is what? Step 3. And lastly, your final step is the coefficient of m in this equation 1 multiplying this coefficient of what? N in equation 2. That is step what? 4. And that is the display we have here. Please solve those other questions I want to put on the board and interact with me on the platform. Please learn this step. It will help you to solve simultaneous equation within what? A second. So let's deal with what? Our play work. Ensure you do it. Put it on the comment section. God bless you very well. Play question or play work. Deal with this and please interact with me on the YouTube channel. Please support this YouTube channel. We want to see how we can solve problems of students solving questions within a very short time. So our first question here is what? Is 7r plus what? 3x is equal to what? Minus 3. The next question is 6r plus what? 9x is equal to what? 0. And number 2 question is what? 2a plus what? 5b is equal to 2. And 3a plus what? 2b is equal to 25. Please like this channel, comment on this channel, share this channel, subscribe. God bless you. See you at the next video. Thank you very much for all the support you have given me. God bless you. See you at the next video. God bless you. Thank you.